So what we're going to do today is we're going to show you the best setting for the Cricut ExploreAir2 when using the ProZoneArt 3mm vinyl. The best setting is Vinyl Plus. You'll find that at about 1 o'clock on your dial between vinyl and iron-on. Okay, we're going to go down here to Manage Custom Materials. It's going to find our machine, Cricut ExploreAir2. We need to be on Vinyl Plus. 176 is the factory setting. So what we're going to do is we're going to come over here and we're going to edit it. We're going to make it 180. And we're going to save it. We can close this out. We're ready to print our project. We can come over here and say make it. In spite of the size and style of this font, it still remains an easy read, even for a beginner. So as you can see, making some fine adjustments to your machine can definitely enhance your crafting experience.